We're going to do this one really fast because it's 108 degrees outside and we had to turn the air conditioning off so that they wouldn't pick up noises on this here mic. Ivan is like, why are you explaining this? Why don't you just hurry up and do this so we can turn the coolers back on? Last week we took a little hiatus from our normal way of doing things and we put this here advertisement out. So there's that advertisement again in case someone that didn't see it. We don't have anyone yet, so you're welcome to try it out if you want. So, but we're going to erase it now and show you our new plan. So, and hopefully that went well. You need good antifreeze in this weather, boy howdy. Did you film all of that? Okay, so I think we explain it later. What? Oh yes. Ivan is so proud of that part. It's a really bad weld right here. So all we got going here now, so this is our same reactor core, same propane tank, which they're not really propane. I should quit calling them that because they are merely condensation chambers. And how much cooler do I sound when I say that? I think I sound nerdier. This is a weed burner, propane weed burner, and it's this flamage down here, and then the heat exhausts out this way. And then we load the plastic as normal. It goes over here to these condensation chambers, and then we burn, of course, the excess stuff over here. It's pretty much the same, just different heat source, that's all. Your bike is getting wet.
Breaking these rocks in the hot sun. I fought the law and the law won. I fought the law and the law won.
There goes the dog. Always right on cue. It's like, oh, he's videoing. I better walk through. You know, I wouldn't put this swamp cooler in the house. It's a little bit messy. Okay, Sunflood, you can cut them. Okay, well, here we go again. We tried hot wiring it and we are not getting satisfactory results yet. It must be pretty hot if she does this. Normally she would freak out. This windmill might be in pretty good shape. I think we can fix this.
Apparently when you're welding copper, you have to use helium as your inert gas. It's really hard. You're blowing these big holes in it. You know, Ivan, Norwegian wisdom is like camouflage. It's difficult to see, but it might surprise you.
Pretty neat there, eh, Ivan? You know, if the Vikings had those when they were building the ships, they probably wouldn't have sailed in circles so much. But yet we're using it to line up with the building. It's so cheating. There's probably ways to do this harder. That's a bummer. Fortunately, our reactor core is flexible in its heat source. We burnt half the elements out of that thing over there. So we're back to gas. We're just gonna stick the weed burner in down there and put some bricks and things in there so it doesn't burn a hole through. Bit of modifying. Perfect. Hey, goofy dog. I love that pipe wrench, eh, Ivan? It's the best. It makes you look so tiny. Yes. Brains are handy. They're a good thing to have. They're rare commodity nowadays. The propane tank on, Ivan. Oh yeah, sounds like it is. I suppose we should get our thermometer hooked back up, huh? You know, Ivan, when we first started making these videos, we were keeping track of what number burn we were on. The little chimney is piping hot. It's so much better than that electric stuff. Plus we can have our water running and not worry about the shocking. Alright, let's see if we've got any good stuff in here yet. You there, Ivan? 20. Yay! I'm a little worried. Maybe we should let it out. This one's all air. Wow. What are we doing, Ivan? Are we doing it? Ivan. How are you going to turn that off now? You know how many OSHA manuals are going up in flames right now? That's one way to skin a cat. I've always wondered, why skin a cat? Do they make good gloves or something? Woohoo! It's cool. I know it's good fuel, it'll burn, but you know, I don't know if I'd stick it in my fuel injected Ford Focus or anything. We could put it in there. Unfortunately, we left the lid off, and I think all the good vapors went away. So we got all the thick stuff left. Definitely burns, but I think we can do better. So what? You burn the stick. Maybe this is what the Vikings used.